Hello and welcome everyone. This is me Ali Raza and I am from AARSWEBS.com. We provide digital marketing solutions and I'm an owner of Google Partner Company. Me myself is Google Ads, Bing Ads and Meta Ads certified advertising professional. We provide digital marketing solutions. Right now I'm here with an amazing case study regarding Bing Ads account which was originally suspended for egregious violation which we were able to restore. Now there may be many reasons why your Bing Ads account is suspended. It's always a good idea to get it restored within 6 months, because in the 6 months, first 6 months, you have an option of to appeal. But once you lose this appeal, then it may be a harder chances. Right now, the case over here was that we provided them an account from our Bing Ads manager account, and that too was suspended. However, we were able to restore the account. So let's get started on this case study. So let me show you first of all few of the messages and then you can see over here. So now this image may be hard to read by many of you, so let's get removed to this one and go to the second one, which can give you a clear idea. You can see over here. So now you can even verify the ID as well. So you can see over here that during our routine check, our automated system detected content in your manager account is in violation of Microsoft advertising egregious violation policy, obfuscation of advertiser or pair identity to this and counterfeit, malicious, and so many checks. So as because we're a Google Partner Company and have sorted hundreds of Google Ads account suspensions, Google merger status suspension, Google Ad disapproval, and we have have got expertise in this, so we know what is egregious violation is. We know how your website is being labeled for egregious violation, so we can sort it out. So what we did is we did two things. We tested the website for multiple checks, including malware scanner, coding, theme issues, refund policy, about us policy. Sometimes there are things in about us page which are doing which are non-compliant. Sometimes there is a theme, malware error. Sometimes there is a confusion in your product description which can cause this automatic suspension error, even though it's all fine. So what we have to do is we have to do the comparators checkout and do a comparison with them to see if we are on the par or not. So after all of these things, I'm just telling you that these things could be reasons. So I'm going to show you more and more. So there is another detailed audit over email over here. As you can see over here that I'm sending this email to you about the investigation result. Okay, so we also had a once failed appeal as well. So you need to understand that once we did a requested appeal, you can see here after thorough review, our internal team have reviewed your appeal and request to manage the account and determined the account is in violation. Again, they said that the account still remains suspended, and they pointed out 7 to 8 points of obfuscation of advertiser pair identity, user service to facilitate illegal practice, malicious software, everything. So we had to do the sample checkout as well to see everything remains smooth. We are compliant, we have good reviews, we have good social media channels, good social media presence. That even this matters as well in restoring your page. So there are multiple things which we have to look around. Another is over here. You can see over here that this account did not had a suspension form available, so we then provided them in another account, and where that was again suspended too, and we had to provide the complete appeal form. So I'm just sharing you these are the few of the things. So once we started, I'm going to share you a few of the things, like first of all, they asked for their identity advertiser verification. You can see over here that their identity advertiser verification was failed. Another over here as well, and this is failed as well. You can see over here that the advertiser verification remains failed. So you can see over here, this is a regular chat done with the Bing Microsoft team, showing over here that they provide document, domain, receipt, and everything over here. So we provided them the domain receipt, the documentation. We also look for the website. So we provided them domain receipt, advertiser verification. We provide the compliance check. We did the comparison with the comparators and see how we are doing the compliant. We also did minor modifications on the refund policy page, privacy policy page. Also, we aligned the email address on all of our social media channels. We also did a thorough, as I told you before, that we did a thorough checkout system as well. And apart from multiple communication done through the Bing team, this is one of the domain ownership documentation which we provided. And over here you can see over here another thing, a document over here as well. So after all of these things, when we had a final communication done, the thing over here, the winner is one who remains patient, consistent, and communication is the key over here. Compliance is definitely the key. So if you narrow it down, it's going to be communication with the team, patience, and doing the compliance being requested by the Bing team. Also looking around on your competitors, seeing around the general policy. So we learned those policies after restoring Google Ads account, and then we applied those on Bing accounts. And and this is not our first case study. Rather, we have restored many of Bing accounts as well. And you may check our YouTube channel as well for a few of those as well. But then we finally got an email that hello from Microsoft Advertising, appeal case closed, suspension removed. We have reviewed your appeal request for manager account and confirmed all content is compliant. We have removed the suspension penalty. Microsoft Advertising Trust and Safety. So yeah, this is another successful case study. Congratulations to my team who was able to support me in all of this project. So yeah, without them it was not, I was not able to do it at all. So all credits to them who worked hard to make sure to get it done. So yeah, this is a successful case study where we were able to restore one of our Bing Ads accounts. So in case if you need assistance with Bing Ads restoration, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. Or in case if you need help with Google Ads suspensions, Google Ads disapprovals, Google Merge Center suspension, or in case if you need help with Google Ads management or Shopify or web development services, you can hire me and my team through the link in the description. So yeah, once again, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel as well. Take care. Bye bye.